Hey guys, this is how to fix Life360 app not working. So guys, watch till the end as I discuss multiple solutions and I will show the step-by-step guide for Apple users on the left side of the screen. And now, first thing that you will do is just simply go to the Google Play Store and just simply tap on the search at the bottom. And from here, guys, just simply tap on the search bar at the top and just search for the application Life360. And after that, just simply tap on the app. And guys, when there is an update, you should be able to update it over here. Instead of open, you should be able to see update. And now just simply tap on the three dots on the top right corner. And now just make sure to enable the auto update as well so you won't have any problems. So now the second solution is just simply go to your settings into your device. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down and go to the apps. And after that, just simply try to find Life360 over here. Or you can just simply tap on the search bar at the top right and just simply search for it. And now just simply tap on it. And after that, just simply tap on storage and tap on a clear cache. And from there, you should be able to fix the issue. Now, if it still doesn't work, just simply go back over here and just try to tap on a clear data and tap on OK, and you should be able to fix it. Now, if it still doesn't, just simply go back on the top left and just simply go to the uninstall over here at the bottom and just simply tap on OK. And now just simply go back to the Google Play Store and just simply reinstall it back again into your device and you should be able to fix it. And there you go. If you have any question, just simply comment down below and I'll try my best to answer it. Thanks for watching.